All right, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where, I show you what to do with the instant noodle. And today we've got one from Malaysia. You know Malaysia? I hope you do, because it's an absolutely wonderful place. This is Mamee Chef Lontong, right here. So, you may be asking yourself, what is Lontong? Lontong is not this. Lontong is a compressed rice cake that you put a bunch of rice in a banana leaf and you compress it and steam it, and then you get this little rice cake, and it's really just kind of dense rice. But the thing is it's not that part so much. It's the sauce they put it in, and the sauce is like super flavorful and wonderful. I've never had it except for this stuff has the flavor of that. So you get a what is this? This is non-dairy creamer. This is a paste, which I should warm up, and this is the soup base. So what's going on? Just got back from taking my little dog Pepper on a nice long walk out, and I think I completely ran her out of juice. She's very happily sitting on her poof in the living room and just chilling out. So yeah, it's Wednesday, Wacky Wednesday. And yeah, that's about all that's going on. And it is February 1st. I'm trying to get my kids to call this month February instead of February. I had a substitute teacher when I was a kid who was really a stickler on referring to this month as February, not February. You could call it February, but that wouldn't make any sense either, now wouldn't? No. There's our paste. Gotta get it nice and warm. You need to knead and massage your sachets, because the warmer it gets. If you got this over in Malaysia, it's nice and warm over there. It would probably be all loosened up and happy. But this is from Mamee Chef, and not tomorrow's review, which is going to be a snack noodle. You might find that interesting. But the review the following day will be Daibok, which is also produced by or manufactured by Mamee Chef. Daibok in collab with TNT Co. I still haven't looked up and figured out who the heck they are. But that will be the Carolina Reaper noodle. And that's gonna probably you'll like that. You'll get to watch me do a mukbang and probably look really uncomfortable. Things I do for you people, I swear. Alright, that's done. We've got noodle and water, and we're going to put all this stuff in and have ourselves a good old time. So here we go. Our creamer. Our seasoning base. Oops. Looks like there's some bits in here as well. I love those little pepper rings. That's really nice. And finally, come on. Our paste. You can hear Pepper out there chewing on her chewables. What I need to do is when I take the... I totally need to do that. When I take the kids out, I should turn on the one of my cameras like this one and just let it record. Just point it at a good... Put it in a good spot that she's not going to get at it first. And just record what goes on when I take the kids out to get on the bus in the morning. Because I have a feeling she just goes crazy. She's like, I got all out to myself. Woo! I really think that's what she does. I think she just tears around and parties up. Alright. Giving it a nice thorough stir. Very thorough. All right. Our noodle. Man. Gosh, ladies and gentlemen, that is pleasant. I need a... Where all my soup spoons go? Uh-oh. Here we go. Look what the broth is doing. It's kind of changing around a little bit. See that? Look at that. Yes. Yes. I knew this is one that I absolutely loved going into this. I tried this the last time, it was 7 years ago. In the beginning of September of 2015? Yeah, I think. And it was like a couple weeks after my son Miles was born. And there's, on the old review, it was like review 16 something, I think. And there's a picture of him that I had taken when he was like 3 days old on it. It's pretty cool. This, I'm telling you, this. Okay, how are we gonna pull this off? We need a scrimp. I got a rather lofty one right here. Need some puffy puffs. I've heard this stuff referred to as tofu puff, tofu pak, and tau pak. There's some green bean to look like long bean, and I really wish I had long bean. It makes me feel like a horrible person not actually having long bean, but a little bit of coriander right there. Come on. Now my question is where I'm gonna slap the egg, because I'm gonna do egg as well. I made a nice one for the Reaper review. It'll happen later. And here's a little bit of spring onion right there. But yeah, it would have been nice to have some actual lontong. It doesn't sound like it's really that much of a stretch to create lontong. Like basically it's just, you just put, you wrap up some rice really, really well and compact it, and, you know. I think I could pull that up. Uh-oh. Somebody's animal is out of doors and acting loudly. Animals do that. It's okay, Pepper. Don't worry. Keep enjoying your stick thing. You're doing good. You've been a good girl today. Egg. Generally, I've never really seen the eggs in Malaysian instant noodles. Generally, it just seems like they're hard-boiled. It's not like they're all done up this way or that way. They're just hard-boiled eggs. That's why in the last one, they weren't marinated or anything like that, but I know. I did wrong. A wee bit. Crushed red pepper. A little bit of seed, I think would look nice on this one. Really want the tail to show up. There's your tail. Do we have any fried onion? I think that would be a nice one. Yeah, we do. I need to get fried onion, and I need some fried garlic too. I've got to make sure to save what I have left here, because there's another Mamee Chef product. It's a mee goreng and it's new, and I want to make that one look beautiful as well. I think we're going to call it good with that. And I need to get a new selfie light, a ring light. Because then there wouldn't be this long shadow. Well, there we go. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I thoroughly appreciate it. The next one we're going to have, so snack noodles are popular in many countries: South Korea, Taiwan, Malaysia. Some popular ones are Mamee Monster from Malaysia. Otogi mix one's called Pepushu Pepushu in South Korea. And in Taiwan, Uni President makes Whammo science noodles. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.